Hey, you guys. I am LaTersa Denise, and I am back with another video. So, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you hashtag Sunny Squad with two sunshines. That lets me know that you are new here, and I can give you a proper welcome. If you like content like self-care, hygiene, lifestyle, shop with me videos, then this channel is just for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right into this haul today. All right, y'all. So y'all know I had to get my smoothie. I went to Dollar Tree yesterday. As y'all can see by the title, I went to Dollar Tree. I only went in there for one thing, but we're going to talk about that a little later. But I'm going to give me a sip of my smoothie. That's good. Oh. Anyway, listen. I'm going to show y'all what I got. So, of course, I needed some paper towels. So, I got 2 things of paper towels. And I've been doing good, you guys. Y'all will be so stinking proud of me. I have not had candy in about 2 weeks, going on 2 weeks and a half. And so, yesterday was the first time I had candy in about 2 weeks. So, pat myself on the back. High five. And then I saw these. Y'all let me know if y'all have ever tried these. I have a Swifferjet, and this is the lemon scent. So I can't wait to use these. I'm sure they're going to be really good. It's 20 in a pack. So I can't wait to use these. I'll probably try these in my bathroom because I've been up, y'all, since 4:30. I've been cleaning. So y'all know how that go. I'm off today. So, yeah. But let me know in the comments if y'all have tried these. They at the Dollar Tree. Let me just say this. Dollar Tree done figured out a way how to take all my money. Because I went in there to spend maybe like $10. How about $30 later? This is what your girl came out with. So I got some bleach because y'all know I use a little bleach in my mop water. And being that I deal with mold in my apartment, we ain't even gonna talk about it. We not even gonna complain about it. I'm thankful I got a roof over my head, but y'all, when I tell y'all this is getting ridiculous. Anyway, and then I got y'all know I'm always talking about ways to freshen up. So I got one of these to go in my purse. Probably leave it in the car in the glove department. So if I need to freshen up while I'm out. Y'all know I love Arm & Hammer. This is the Essential Deodorant Toilettes. Cleans, refreshes, moisturizers. So they got these. So I thought that was stinking cute. Then I needed, of course, some toothpaste. I went ahead and got some more toothpaste. Y'all know I love Colgate with baking soda in it. And I needed some dishwasher pods, so I already used one. Y'all know I be using my stuff. But let me just say this. I went in Dollar Tree, and I came out, y'all. I came out, and I was like, oh, y'all know when y'all get cleaning products, y'all be ready to clean. Because y'all know your girl be ready to use her products. How about when your girl came home? I took a shower. Yeah, freshen up. Got my little self in the bed. And y'all already know I put my movie on. Pray for me. But anyway, I did that. And y'all, let me tell y'all about this book I've been reading. Y'all, hold on. Y'all, The High Five by Mel Robbins. This book, when I tell y'all, if y'all want to shift your mindset to have a better outcome, to be the best version of yourself, y'all know I'm always put y'all on a good book to read because we're all on this journey over here together. We're going to grow together. We're going to be the best versions of ourselves. Like, we're going to be a whole vibe over here in the Sunny Squad because I want all of us to go to the next level. When I tell y'all, when I went out last weekend, I was in Barnes & Noble. Y'all know that's one of my favorite places to go. And I was reading this book. I had read 8 chapters in about 30, 40 minutes. When I tell y'all this doggone book was so good, I had to come back and buy it. And y'all know Barnes & Nobles, they book be high as hell. But I bit the bullet and bought this book. If I can find it on Amazon, I'm going to put the link down below. Well, when I tell y'all, if y'all want to shift your mindset to be the best version of yourself, and you're trying to figure out why you keep replaying negative thoughts and how to combat them, oh, honey, y'all, y'all let me know if y'all want me to start doing a book of the month, because this right here is the book of July for me. Because when I tell y'all I read this book after I do my devotions in the morning, I read this book at night before I go to bed when I say my prayers, because I'm all about trying to be the best version of myself, and whatever book I can find to help me on that journey. Y'all know the Bible is always going to be top number one, because God is my everything. And so the last 2 weeks, you guys, I just really been focusing on bettering myself. And when I tell y'all, it's such a great feeling to really hone in on yourself, because you know, with life be lifing. You got to take care of people, you got to take care of your family, you got to do this. You just always doing. But a lot of times you leave out yourself because you so focused on being busy and doing for others. But I want to encourage y'all, take some time this weekend and spend some time with yourself. I know for some of y'all that's probably gonna sound weird as hell, but do 15 minutes. If you feel weird when you first start, do 15 minutes. Just focus on what you need. Focus on what you need to be the best version of yourself for that particular day. Get up. I always tell you guys, I know all of y'all may not be a morning person like I am, but get up early in the morning, 30 minutes to an hour before you usually do. Let that be your time to yourself. Let that be the time you pour into yourself. Set your intentions for the day. Because I promise you, if you don't set your intentions for the day, if you don't give yourself permission to go after what your dreams are, to go after being the best version of yourself, the world, social media will bombard you with so much stuff. That's why I try my hardest not to get on social media my first 2 hours of the day. Every day I don't succeed at that, but for the last week and a half, I've been doing really great. I don't get on social media the first hour, because usually I'm up by 4:30. So I'm praying, I'm setting my intentions high, I'm doing my devotion, I'm putting in as much as I can put in that's good, because I promise you, the world will start to show you all kind of things you can worry about, you can be upset about, you can be bitter about. But when you make that intention for yourself every day, it will truly make a difference in your life. And y'all know I'm all about helping y'all be the best version of yourself in every area of your life, because you can't be the best if one area is lacking. So it takes all of you working together to bring it out. So y'all comment below and let me know if y'all gonna purchase this. I'm gonna put the link down below, but I had to tell my sunshines about that book. But anyway, back to the haul. So as I was saying, I went in there to spend like $10, y'all. And then I saw these. These are citrus drain freshener tabs. So I can't wait to try these, because I got one more of the other disposal cleaner. Got that. And then I saw this, because I'm finna clean my bathroom up after this. Y'all, when I tell you I thought this was stinking cute, mess-free stinky bowl cleaner with bleach. It's lavender vanilla. Can't wait to put that in my bathroom, in my toilet. I got some Dove sensitive soap for a baby girl, for, you know, her butterfly. And then I got 2 things of floss, because they was out of floss and I was out of floss. Of course, these are my son's. I got that for him. These are some Takis for my baby girl. She always throwing something in the buggy, honey. And then I had to get some more mouthwash, because I was out of mouthwash. And then I got my all-time favorites, which is the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. Y'all know I use these to clean my toilet, and I use these to clean my tub and sinks with. So that is my haul, you guys. Like I said, honey, it is what it is. I came out of that $30 later. Y'all leave me a comment and let me know what y'all purchased lately from the Dollar Tree. And they got some new stuff up in there. So y'all know when I find stuff that I think my sunshines will love as well as I do, because y'all kind of trust me now to the point where y'all kind of like some of the same stuff I do. So I hope today's video inspires you, encourages you to know that, you know what, hey, life is getting to be amazing, and it can be so amazing. You just gotta give it your all, you guys. You get out of life what you put in it. So I hope my little tidbit spill encourages you to know that the best is yet to come. It doesn't matter what your past look like. It doesn't matter what you've messed up. It is always a new day that God bless you. You can make a different decision. So I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video.